Welcome to question hour session of Ajmal IS Academy. Here we will be discussing 5 MCQs from the daily newspaper The Hindu and Indian Express. So let's start the session. Our first question is on outward foreign direct investment. Statement 1 says a significant share of India's OFDI has gone into financial, insurance and business service sector. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says rising OFDI always indicate corporate maturity and global expansion. This is an incorrect statement as it does not always indicate this. Statement 3 says Singapore and UAE are major destination for Indian OFDI. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 1 and 3, that is C. Let's move on to the second question. The second question is regarding axolotls. Statement 1 says it is a species of salamander endemic to South Africa. This is an incorrect statement as it is endemic to Mexico. Statement 2 says it is classified as critically endangered. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says it thrives in artificial floating agricultural island. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 2 and 3, that is B. Let's move on to the third question. The third question is regarding gene mutations. Statement 1 says genes are segments of DNA that provide instruction for making proteins. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says mutations are changes in DNA sequence that can arise during DNA replication. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says all mutation in gene cause diseases. This is an incorrect statement as some mutation in genes are silent and does not cause any diseases. So answer here becomes 1 and 2, that is A. Let's move on to the fourth question. The fourth question is regarding the term AI washing. Statement A says replacing all human worker with AI system in an organization. Statement B says using AI exclusively for environmental conservation and climate mitigation. Statement C says mandatory disclosure of AI related investment in a company's annual financial statement. And statement D says conveying a false impression that a company's product use advanced AI capabilities. Now the correct answer is statement D. Let's move on to the fifth and final question. The fifth and final question is regarding the Ulgulan movement. Statement 1 says it was led by Birsa Munda against British colonial rule and exploitative landlordism. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says it led to the abolition of the Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act 1908. This is an incorrect statement as it led to the establishment of this act, not the abolishment. Statement 3 says it led to legal recognition of traditional Khunkati land rights. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 1 and 3, that is C. That's all for today, and you can find all this question in our social media platform. Thank you.